I'll show you how to take this broken key fob, fix it, and save yourself $25. Interested? Here we go. We have these garage door key fobs, and we put them on our keychain, just probably like everybody else does. But the weak link in it is this plastic piece up here. It really is thin. And literally on the same day, within hours, we broke both these key fobs. And so I looked them up online and I'm like, okay, we've had them for a while, why not just get some new ones? But the new ones cost $25 a piece. And I said, wait a minute. I think I can fix this so that it's even better than the original design. All you have to do is you use some of these key rings. The most important point on the key rings is that you want it to be able to move around freely. And if you're going to use the smaller ones, they have to loop around at least twice. 3 times is even better. I think it originally came with this one. Little screwdriver pops this open. Gotta be very careful. The electronics were completely okay. And you can see that there's this void right here. I ran the keychain through there. This is a 3/32 drill. You don't want it too big because you don't have a lot of room to play with. You don't want to compromise the seal that runs around the electronics. So this is your area to play with, right here and right here. So I just basically took the drill, put it down in there like that, and slowly drilled the hole through it like that. The tricky part is the other side where there's not a lot of room. Clean off the electronic area, put this back together, and then you use the hole on the other side to guide the hole that you're going to drill on this end. Drill the hole on the other end. Based on your preference for keychain, you might be done, especially if you use one of these smaller ones. I just happened to have this one, and I wanted to see how big I could get it. You want to be able to have free movement, whatever you decide to do. So there's your hole. Simple enough. It took a little thought to go in. You don't want to get too close to this end because you'll compromise it. Here's what it looks like when your drill is done. You can see that I kind of hit the barrier on this side, but it's okay. If for some reason you don't have key rings lying around, I bought this one actually at Harbor Freight for less than $1, and it gives you 12 key rings for pennies, about 10 cents a piece. You can fix your $25 key fob, and it will last you a very long time. I'm gonna try a smaller one, see how it works out. So you take this end and just run it through like this, all the way through the track, and then just do the other side. Keep running it through. Once you have it all on like this, it's pretty simple. Snap it together, close it up. Your key fob is fixed. Good, probably better than new. So 2 key fobs fixed for practically nothing. To show you how strong the key ring is now, I've got this little luggage force gauge. Got the key ring on this side. I'm gonna pull 15 pounds. If you get 15 pounds worth of pull on this, I'm not sure what you're doing. I guess you're pulling your key ring out of the ground or something, which is probably more powerful than when it originally had right here. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching.